Quince blossom in springtime is beautiful.
I'm chopping up some pineapple quinces. This is the same way you would prepare them, whether you were making quince jelly, quince paste, or stewed quinces. Just cut them up after they've been washed and remove the seeds. Here's the stewed pineapple quince. Unlike most quince varieties, it doesn't go pink when it's cooked, it stays golden. I was lucky enough to get some quinces from some very old quince trees. I don't know what variety they were, but they were not pineapple quinces. They cooked up to a beautiful pink colour, and I made, first of all, quince jelly with them, and then I made quince paste.
One of the great things about cooking quinces is you don't have to waste anything. You can make quince jelly and quince paste without wasting any part of the fruit. So first of all you do is you cook your fruit till it's soft. And if you want to make quince jelly, which is the first thing you do, you then strain the fruit through some muslin or cheesecloth, and you actually leave it hanging for overnight. You leave the fruit hanging overnight in the muslin. I usually sort of tie it to the back of a chair or something with a bowl underneath it. And you don't squish it, you just let the juice drip into a bowl overnight, and then in the morning what you're left with is this beautiful clear pink juice that you can add sugar to and make quince jelly. And in the muslin you have this sort of still moist but dried out quince flesh, and that's what you add more sugar to and make quince paste, which is also called membrillo.
I washed and sterilised all the jars that I was going to use for the quince jelly, and then I cut up the quinces and cooked them and put them into a bag of muslin or cheesecloth, and I hung the bag overnight to let the quinces drip into a bowl. And all that juice, I cooked it up and added sugar to it. And when it had gone to a jammy consistency, I bottled it, and look at the colour of this. It's absolutely gorgeous. Most beautiful colour, quince jelly. To learn how to use the leftover quince flesh to make quince paste, watch my other video.